Hello, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. We start with prep cables, and let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like a 29.5 inches wide, and depth about like a 34.5 inches deep, and the overall height of the unit is about like a 46 inches. For this cutting board, it is about like a 9 inches deep. So as we can see, the unit is made by all stainless steel bodies, and when we open the door, we can see they do have a 2 layers inner side. For the bottom, it is about like a 14 inches deep, and this rack is about like a 16 inches deep, and the length of this rack is about like a 24 inches wide, and the bottom layer is about like a 25 inches wide. For the access clearance heights, they are almost about like a 22 and 3/4 inches tall. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side. They do have a big top lid. And when we opened it, we found they have a total about like a 3 rows. And each row have a 4 containers, so total will be 12 containers from this unit. And each container size of it, about like a 6.5 inches wide, almost 7 inches long, and is 6 inches deep. Also, when we're looking at the behind of the units, we can find they do have the ETL sanitation stickers and coming with the manufacturer cost sheet information. Looking at the bottoms, they do having all the compressor systems, and also they do have a controller mount on there too. And the bottom, they have a full casters coming from the manufacturer. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.